welcome to my channel. How you guys doing? If this is your first time stopping on my channel, please subscribe, and if you enjoyed this video, make sure you give me a big thumbs up. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Welcome to like the house series. Would I call this a house series? Yeah, house series. Thank you guys so much for all the love on my last video where I announced like buying the house and I gave you guys a house tour. Thank you guys so much for all the engagement, love, all the comments. I really appreciate it. Let's get this video started. So buying a house is one thing, but decorating it is another ball game. It takes time. It also takes money. Yeah. You guys kind of saw like the house tour in the last video, but those videos were from when the house was staged, when they were selling the house. So us moving into the house is empty. We're moving in with all our boxes from the condo, and we didn't really move a lot of things. We just moved like the TV so we can use temporarily before our TV comes, and we moved a couch that we can sit on before like the couch and our furniture comes, because buying things and furniture online, it takes time. So luckily what we did, once the sale of the house was firm, even before we moved, we started to look around and buy furniture so that the furniture can be delivered to the house before we even move in. And luckily the sellers were so helpful. They were able to collect our furniture and everything that got delivered before we moved in, and they just stored it in the garage. The garage was full of packages of furniture. This is not a factory. This is literally half of our garage filled with lots of packages that's been coming. We have like beds, tables, chairs, decorative furniture, like so much stuff from Amazon, Wayfair, Structube, Crate Barrel, so much stuff. Like, so I'm gonna start to open these boxes. Oh my god, it's so much stuff. And like each main stuff is gonna take about 2 to 3 hours to assemble. Nah, I'm not looking forward to this one. Let's go start it. So the first thing we started to do is kind of like unpack. We had boxes everywhere. So the first thing we started to do was unpack so that we can actually have space to assemble the things that we ordered. And no way, assembling takes so long. I hate assembling stuff together. I know there are two types of people in this world: the people that like to do IKEA furniture and assemble stuff, and people that just hate it. But even though I hated it, or we hated it, we weren't gonna pay somebody to assemble all those stuff. Do you know how much stuff we had to assemble? We had so much stuff. Well, luckily my brother's friends came over and helped us to assemble so much of the stuff. Like, they were God sent. That's why it's good to have good people in your tribe. Like, you need to have friends in your tribe that can help you in situations like this. Like 10 of them came over and they helped us to assemble beds in the room, the couch, the consoles, cabinets, chairs, so many things they were able to help us to assemble. Most of the big things we ordered were from Structube, Crate Barrel, Wayfair. Wayfair was really the plug, and Amazon. Wayfair was really the plug because a lot of things were so back ordered. You had to pre-order them. You had to like be on a wait list for so many things like Structube. So Wayfair really came clutch because Wayfair had a lot of inventory and things to choose from, and the shipping was relatively fast compared to like Structube that we had to wait for 2 months, and Crate Barrel that we had to wait for like many months. By the time we assembled all the big things like the couch, the table, the consoles, then we wanted to go get like decorative items, accent pieces that would bring all the furniture and everything together. So we went to Homesense and we went to Bouclair. So we're looking for plants, we're looking for picture frames, we're looking for vases, pillows, throws, things like that. Look at how full my car is. Look at my boots. Wow, it's full with so much stuff. Homesense came through. Yeah. Got laundry baskets. This one for my brother. Mommy, you're taking this one. And that one for like the laundry room. So apart from laundry baskets, we got dustbins for the bathrooms and matching hand wash dispenser and like a toothbrush, toothpaste holder. So this one is for one bathroom. That is the matching set. It's for another bathroom. The matching set. This one is really very unique, right? Mom is very different.
For the basement bathroom.
Yeah, the basement bathroom. The basement bathroom has wood, light wood, and black accents. So this one just matches it.
Black and white.
Black and white. And this one is for the guest bathroom. Guest toilet. So this one doesn't need like a cup because it's just like a guest toilet. Dustbin looks really nice, and the soap dispenser too. So we got nice, great sets, unique pieces. Homesense is the place to be. We got these unique vases from Homesense. I love the vintage look to it and the foil gold effects this has. It feels so vintage and it looks so good. And this was like what, $29.99 from Homesense. It was a steal. It's very unique, and we're not sure where we're gonna use it yet, but we're gonna figure it out. We also got this plates from Homesense. You know, wood is really on trend now, so a lot of wooden pieces, as you can see. So we're gonna use this for like maybe salad bowls or like to put like nuts to like serve people. We also got this kitchen towel holder. You can see like the wood design to it, really nice. This really stands out. We got this organizer. We're gonna put like serving spoons and display it on the kitchen counter. We also got this what's this called? Cutlery organizer for the drawer. You don't want your cutlery to just be anyhow in the drawer, so this worked perfectly for that. This was $25. And we also got this big huge plank. It's a chopping board, and this is very unique too. How much was this? This was $17. We got this wooden bins for the bedrooms, you know, just to throw like papers and like light stuff. We got this for the bedrooms. This was from Bouclair, and this was for $29.99. Like, we have lots of wooden pieces to kind of bring warmth to the rooms. We got this mitten from Homesense. It's gonna match well with our kitchen style. Got this velvet throw pillows from Homesense. It was $39.99 each. And yeah, we got like a few. We got like 4 pieces. We're gonna use it to decorate the white sofa we have in the living room. So we're gonna use this for flowers. We're gonna put the flower like pot in here, so you're not seeing the pots, you're just seeing this decorative bin. We also got different ones. Like Homesense has a lot of raffia and lots of like wooden raffia pieces. Another wick basket piece we got. Moving on to these, we got throws for our sofa. These ones are so comfy. Like Homesense had a lot, but this ones feel so comfy, and for the price, $40. Yes, we love it. Ooh. And we also got these huge carpets. I kind of showed you guys what it looked like earlier on, but this is gonna go to my mom's room. We also got this huge baskets. We're gonna use this for laundry, but we might end up using it for something else, but we will see. So that's my Homesense and Bouclair haul for today. Got so many nice and unique pieces. Homesense was really the plug. We got so many things from Homesense. Like my mom, my mom is the real MVP because she went to Homesense so many times. One thing you need to know about Homesense, that the more you go, the more you see stuff, because people would have returned stuff or they get new inventory every time. And if you go to different branches of Homesense, you get to see new things too. So my mom was like, that was her like her daily task. She's going to different Homesense to find different pieces, and we're able to find so many beautiful pieces. I'm sure you guys have seen the videos. This is the old TV from the condo. About to change it to that 65-inch one. Still shopping for stuff, so like home decoration does not end. I feel like we need like a good year to kind of like feel like, okay, we've decorated everything properly, but everything is looking good so far. The last thing that got delivered was our dining table. It took like almost 3 months for the dining table to come. It's from Crate and Barrel, and this is the dining area where the table is gonna go to. This is what the chair looks like. It's funky, it's contemporary. That's a vibe we're going for, contemporary. As you can see, we have a lot of touch of wood all around the kitchen. We're actually not sure yet. Maybe on this side, yeah, for now, yeah. And we'll take it around if we change our mind. It's nice. Crate and Barrel is actually the best. The people that are actually delivering it are unpacking all the stuff outside. So they're not bringing in the boxes. They're actually unpacking everything outside, and they're coming to install it. So we don't have to think of boxes after or installing or assembling. They are literally the best, but they are the most expensive. So I didn't expect anything less. Well, these are the pieces. The legs are still remaining, and we'll have a full dining table soon. Looking forward to chowing here. The dining table and the chairs are sold separately, so we decided to mix a chair and a bench for the dining table to kind of give like a different look, not your traditional chairs just all around. So we got like 4 chairs and the bench and the drums on the head of the table to kind of give it like a different look. Let me know what you guys think. You guys like it? It's kind of different, right? Yeah. All credit goes to my mom. My mom is the interior decorator. This dining table is made really well. Crate and Barrel is very good quality. A lot of things we got in the condo were from Structube and Crate and Barrel, and even when we moved after 10 years, we're still able to sell the pieces because they were still in really good quality. So even here, I wanted to make sure that we invested in good quality pieces that would last like a long time and would also not trendy, so that like it can last a long time and we don't feel like, oh, our house is kind of looking outdated, that we need to change pieces. The things we've gotten are very contemporary, chic. We have a lot of wooden accessories and wooden pieces all around the house, so it gives it that bohemian kind of look. Sometimes when you move into like a new place, you have to do some renovations or you have to do some painting, but we didn't really have to do anything at all. But the 2 rooms upstairs had wallpaper on one wall, and we decided we didn't want the wallpaper, so we took down wallpaper and we painted it. The shed in the garden is my brother's like creative space, and it was just all white. So we decided to kind of put wooden floors on the ground, and we still have things to do in the shed, but during the summer, because now it's so cold and there's snow covering the whole garden. But when the summer comes, we're gonna do more stuff in the shed and maybe like do some projects in the garden, get some more plants and stuff like that. The sun is already going down, but like decorating the house is work. But if you enjoy it, like my mom enjoys it, like it's a good project for her, but like it's a lot of work, it's a lot of time consuming, and it's expensive. Like we've gone way over our budget, but we thank God for provision. But yeah, the house is coming together. It looks beautiful. All the links of everything I can find that is still in stock, I'll leave it in the description box for you guys to check it out if you guys are decorating your own house or you just want to like spruce up your place. I'll be sure to give you guys more updates as we buy more things and decorate the house, and I'll show you guys other parts of the house in the upcoming videos. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, because like what you see, it didn't happen overnight. It's been like it's been a work in progress, and it's still work in progress, but it's coming together nicely. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll put all the links. If you guys see anything in this video, I don't see the link in the description box, just let me know in the comment section. Let me know your favorite item that we got in the video. Let me know the favorite item you saw, like, oh, I like that, where'd you get that from? Let me know in the comment section your favorite item that you saw in this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and bye. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up.